Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will be doing my behind the scenes YouTube tag. So if you want to know my answers to these questions, please keep watching. So yung mga questions na ito, as in like itong mahabang list na to, like 15 questions to. And isa-isa dito hihimayin natin. So kung gusto niyo malaman yung ihihimay kong mga questions at mga questions, please keep watching na lang. First question, what camera do I use to film? So the camera that I use to film is this Panasonic Lumix LX7. So that is the camera I am using to film my vlogs and my videos at home. And the downside of this camera is no flip up screen. It doesn't have a flip up screen. That's my very big disadvantage about this camera. But all in all, it's a good camera. You get good low light videos and pictures. You get the best quality video because it has 1080p 60 frames per second at AVC HD. AVC HD means higher quality videos because AVC HD is meant to be viewed on high definition TVs. So that's for my camera. So what is my editing system what is my editing software? So I use Final Cut Pro X to edit my YouTube videos. But before, when I wasn't making YouTube videos yet, I still use iMovie, or I was using iMovie, even though I wasn't making YouTube videos yet. So I think I still have those videos. I will just put it in this video. Well, anyways, when I wasn't making YouTube videos yet, I still use iMovie. But ever since I started YouTube, Final Cut Pro na ginagamit ko. And kung tinatanong niyo sa akin kung maganda ba Final Cut Pro, yes, madali siyang gamitin kaysa sa Adobe Premiere Pro X. And same with iMovie, and maganda siya kahit pang-start lang siya, pero ang ganda niya, enough na yung mga effects niya, mga transitions, ganon. So iMovie is still a good choice kahit hindi siya ganun ka-professional sa Final Cut. Next question, do I use artificial lighting or natural? So I use both, pero mas ginagamit ko pa rin yung artificial kasi nga mas maraming ilaw yung nakukuha ng artificial kaysa sa natural lighting. So for my artificial light, I use this Limo Studio light. This is how it looks like. And it's like $36 sa Amazon. If you want to know where to buy it, it's in the link down below. So that is for my artificial light. What are my top items in my filmmaking wishlist? It's gonna be the Canon 5DR Mark II. And bayan, yun nga yung gusto ko talagang wish na camera, yung Canon 5DS. Medyo kamahalan yung camera, like mga 150,000 yung camera. Wala pang lens yun. Body lang talaga ng camera yun. And yes, it's super expensive. Kaya yun yung pinaka gusto ko dahil 50 megapixels and 1080p video. So yun yung mga gusto ko as my what do you call this? Wish. So my next question is, what is my favorite day of the week to film? I film every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. So sila yung mga pinili kong days dahil may free time din ako doon. And speaking of free time, doon din ako nag-upload ng bagong videos. Sorry, nakakalimutan yung script ko kasi may nag-distract sa akin. What do you plan your videos? If so, paano? I plan my videos accordingly kung ano yung mga pinapanood ng tao sa YouTube. Kung mas pinapanood ng tao sa YouTube yung mga spicy noodles challenge, di gagawa rin ako ng ganun. Next question. How long does it take me to film in an average video? 30 minutes to 1 hour will do. How long does it take me to film in sagot ko na yan. How many hours do I spend in editing? In editing, I spend it around 8 hours the longest pag may special effects na. Okay. Favorite type of video to film? Mas pinipili ko mag-film ng shopping. Do people in my school or work know about my channel? They know about my channel. Everyone in school knows about my channel, and my channel in YouTube has no secret. Is no secret. Or hindi siya confidential, or halos at mga tao alam na. Next question is, what is your process of thinking of a video? Yun nga, again, what popular on YouTube is what I video. Do I feel awkward filming in public? Yes, I do. Parang yes, kasi kunwari nagpa-vlog ako, kunwari ito yung camera ko, tapos bigla lang ako hey guys, I am here in ganito, ganyan, tapos di ko pala napapansin, may tumitingin na pala sa akin dito. And feeling ko, I just feel embarrassed pag ganun, kasi nga, diba? Pag tinitignan ka ng mga tao, they have many thoughts about you. Isa, iisipin niya kung ano yung nasa isip mo, kung ganun ka ba, yun nga. Or parang, what's wrong with you? Or isa, baka nakakaintindi na YouTuber ka, and mga ganun. Basta, maraming iisipin ng tao. Yung isa dyan, baka makaintindi. Yung isa, baka isipin nila ano yung problema mo. Bakit camera ang kinakausap mo? My next question is, do you have a YouTube friend you want to plan videos with? Pwede, pero wala silang time eh. What is your subscriber goal by the end of the year? So, by the end of 2017 or the entrance of 2018, yung plan kong subscribers ay mga mga 800. Who do you want this tag to do next? Beliana Ventris. So, that is my behind the scenes YouTuber tag challenge, and please like this video kung talaga nagustuhan nyo, and of course, subscribe to this channel, and share nyo naman tong videos na to para naman may views din ako, diba? Para support. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching my video. And again, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe.